Okay, dear student, we are studying about chapter 13 of physics, reflection and propagation of light. Now our topic is terminologies of mirror. There are the following terminologies used in mirror. Terminologies mean the word or terms which are used in mirrors. So those are named as terminologies of mirror. First of all, we will study about the principal axis. What is principal axis? Principal axis, it can be defined as straight line passing through the center of the curvature and pole of the mirror or optical center of the lens is called principal axis. You can see this black line which is shown in the diagram. This one is principal axis. It is passing through the center of curvature as well as from the pole of the mirror. If there is a lens, then we will say optical center of the lens. So it is called principal axis. Next, center of curvature. Center of curvature means the center of the sphere from which a mirror or lens is apart. Means any sphere, if we cut its circumference, any piece of the circumference that will be curved, if we will polish it from one side, and the other side will become shiny and this will become a mirror. Likewise, if we join these two curved surfaces, then it will be formed a lens. So center of curvature is the center of sphere. It is denoted by C. Next, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is the distance between center of curvature and pole of the mirror. It is known as radius of curvature and it is denoted by R capital. Principal focus or focal point. It is defined as the point on the principal axis where the rays of light are concentrated after reflection or refraction is called principal focus or focal point. It is denoted by F capital. Now focal length. Focal length is a distance between principal focus and pole of the mirror or the optical center of the lens is called focal length. It is denoted by F small f. It can also be calculated as F is equal to R upon 2. Means focal length is the half of the radius of curvature. Next, aperture or size of the mirror. It is defined as the length or the size of the mirror is called aperture. It is denoted by dash in the figure you can see. Next, magnification. What is magnification? Magnification means the ratio between size of the image and size of the object. Or if we will take linear magnification, then the ratio between distance of the image and distance of the object from mirror or lens is called magnification. It is denoted by M capital and can be calculated as M is equal to Q upon P, where Q is the distance of the image from the lens or mirror and P is the distance of the object from lens or mirror. It can also be written as M is equal to HI upon HO, where HI is size of the image and HO is size of